When your car starts shaking at a stoplight and you feel a distinct rhythm of a misfire under the hood, your computer might be pointing you directly to a P0361 code. This code is very specific, telling you that there is a malfunction in the primary or secondary circuit of the ignition coil for cylinder number 11. Most cars today use a coil-on-plug system, which means there is a dedicated ignition coil sitting right on top of every spark plug, doing away with those old high-voltage spark plug wires that used to fail all the time. Each of these coils has a two-wire connector, where one wire provides constant battery power and the other is a driver circuit that the powertrain control module grounds and ungrounds to trigger the spark. If that driver circuit is interrupted, or if the coil itself has an internal short, that cylinder will go dead and cause a rough ride. To figure this out, you should start by doing a wiggle test on the wiring harness while the engine is running to see if the misfire comes and goes, which usually points to a loose connection or a broken plastic lock on the connector. If the misfire is constant, you can use a voltmeter set to the alternating current hertz scale to check for a trigger signal at the coil connector. You are looking for a reading between 5 and 20 hertz while the engine is running. If that pulse is there, but you still have no spark, the coil is definitely the culprit and needs to be swapped out. However, if there is no signal at all, you might be looking at a broken wire or even a failed driver inside the computer itself. It is also a good idea to check for any significant direct current voltage on the driver wire, which could indicate a short to power somewhere in the harness. Fixing this early is vital because a steady misfire will dump raw fuel into your exhaust and can overheat and destroy your catalytic converter in a very short amount of time.